Welcome to the Weather Guru podcast for March 9th, 2026. This is the United States Lower 48 watches and warnings, courtesy of Radar Scope. Please hit that like and subscribe button as we go over some of the watches and warnings for March 9th, 2026. Appreciate your support. We do have one tornado warning here. Radar indicated in Mississippi once again. This is northeast of Macomb, Mississippi, for Pike and Walt Hill counties here. Radar indicated tornado warning lasting for the next 31 minutes Central Time. Currently 6:15 Central Time. This lasts for the next 30 minutes here or so. Hail greater than 3/4 inches, and a tornado that's radar indicated here remains in effect for northwestern Walt Hall and northeastern Pike counties there. Tornado was located near Ruth, Mississippi, or 10 miles northeast of Macomb, Mississippi. This is moving east at 25 miles an hour. Please shelter to the lowest interior room that you have in your house. If you're in a mobile home, please shelter in. Or if you're in a regular home, please be careful and make shelter here. So we have a tornado warning that's mainly over rural areas of northwestern Walt Hall and northeastern Pike counties. But take cover now if you're in the path of this tornado next 30 minutes here. As you can see on the radar, a very strong signature here and this warning in here for that area. Now we do have other severe thunderstorm warnings in Mississippi here. This is for Lincoln and Lawrence County here. We also have some other ones in Itawamba and Monroe County here. This is mostly for straight line winds and hail here. As you can see, hail greater than 1.25 inches and wind, straight line winds 60 mile an hour gusts. This includes Lincoln, southeastern Lincoln County, southwestern Lawrence counties here. Radar indicated. So hail, make sure you, if you move your vehicles into the carport or the garage, get away from windows and trees and siding. Wind damage and some damage to the roof and trees and siding could be indicated here as this hailstorm moves through here just to the southeast of Brookhaven and Monticello, Mississippi here. So you can see we have a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings also in Alabama, Lamar County, Alabama. Once again for that 1-inch hail and 60 mile an hour straight line winds. This is for Lamar County in west central Alabama, just southwest of Winfield, Alabama. 60 mile an hour gust and quarter-size hail being reported here. Some of the communities that are affected by this is going to be Vernon, Alabama, Crossville, Hinton Springs, Pine Springs, Blooming Grove, Alabama. 1.25-inch hail for these complex of rainstorms here. As it continues, as I zoom out here, you can see in west central Alabama, we have those storms all around the area here, approaching Winfield and Jasper, hitting the I-65 corridor in the next hour or so, hour and a half or so. This includes area northern Birmingham suburbs like Warrior up toward Coleman, Hartselle, and even in Huntsville, strong rains and storms, lightning could be possible here. Now, in Louisiana, we have a severe thunderstorm warning. East Feliciana and St. Helena Parish here. Just producing same thing, straight line winds and 60 mile an hour wind gusts here. And then we have a flash flood warning in Mississippi. Just producing heavy rain once again in southern central Mississippi here. This includes Lee and Prentiss counties. And in Alabama, we have a flash flood warning in Franklin County, including the towns of Red Bay and Vina. It's just to the north of Hamilton, an I-22 corridor in northwestern Alabama corridor. We do have a fire warning, a fire watch here. This includes in Texas, once again, the area 14 miles south of Miami, Texas. This is in a rural area here, but there was a fire danger just south of Pampa, Texas, in the Panhandle here with Amarillo and the Panhandle of Texas here. So it's about 2.5 hours east of Amarillo. And you can see the smoke emanating off the radar toward Briscoe, Texas, and Allison. So air quality is affected. There was a fire warning, expires in the next hour or two here. Northeastern Gray County and Highway 152, smoke and fire will be present. As you can see on the radar here, right here between this area, you see the smoke picked up on the radar. So if you're in Mobite, Briscoe, Allison, Wheeler, Texas, Miami, Texas, Pampa, back towards this area here, you want to be careful. Just to the about 2.5 hours northeast of Amarillo here in the Panhandle of Texas, there is a fire warning for smoke and fire hazards in Gray County, Texas there. So just something to keep out here as I zoom out here. So you can get a pretty good idea. Most of the severe thunderstorm warnings and watches are in Alabama, Mississippi, and that's what was going to be for the remainder of this evening here for the next 2 to 3 hours here. And that's what we have. This is Weather Guru signing off for the March 9th, 2026. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for listening.